What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So I wanted to go over another credit card review. This time I'm going over the Chase Sapphire Preferred credit card. And I know a lot of people like the Chase Sapphire Reserve credit card, but I'm going to tell you why the Chase Sapphire Preferred credit card might be the right card for you. Before I start, hit the like button. Also, hit the subscribe button for more videos just like this one. And remember to stick around to the end of the video because I'm going over giveaway information. So stick around to the end and you'll get all of that information, all of the details. So I wanted to go over the Chase Sapphire Preferred card because of the fact that this is the card that I want to get next. This is a review solely based on what I've seen, what I've heard, the reviews that I've read, the different videos that I've watched. So I'm going to give you all the information that I know about the card and how I feel about it, and then maybe like a 6-month update whenever I do get the card, and we can go from there. So there's nothing more to it. It's just a decision that I want to make, but let's dig into the details of the card so that you understand why this card is so great. So to start out, this card has a $95 annual fee. I wanted to get that out there already. A $95 annual fee is not bad. It's not the worst annual fee I've ever seen. But whenever you see an annual fee, you always want to have something that's going to offset that annual fee and then hopefully get you in the positive after that. So let's see all of the other details and let's see if we can get there. So this card does offer a bonus 60,000 points when you spend $4,000 in your first 3 months. This would be valued at, if you do 1 cent per point, it would be $600. But if you book through Chase Ultimate Rewards, that bumps it up by another 15%. So it'll be $750 instead of $600. So right there, you're getting your money back entirely. So I guess I don't need to say any more. It seems like it's worth it right there with just those points alone. But let's dig into the detail anyways. So there are perks to this card as well. You do get 2 times back on travel and dining, and then 1 times on everything else. So it's not that many perks. If it wasn't for the bonus, I would say that this card is probably not worth it. So the second year, I would say it's probably not worth it. But as long as you have the bonus involved in that and getting $700, it's probably worth it. And even if you do keep it for multiple years, it's going to net out sooner or later, but even in the second year, you're still going to be positive overall. Third year, you're still going to be positive overall. So I feel like it is worth it for a while. I would probably only use it for the first year just because I do get those points, and then I would get the points that I would gain over time. So this does look like a good card, but I wouldn't say that it is the best card out there, but it's a great deal initially. When you have 60,000 points, it's a great deal. Next, you have no foreign transaction fees. That's a big thing for people who want no foreign transaction fees. Also, like I said, you value the points at 1 cent per point. So whatever points you get, if you build up 100,000 points, then you're going to be at $1,000. So one good thing about this card is that you have no blackout dates, no travel restrictions. So as long as there is a seat on the flight, you're going to be able to book that flight. So that's always a good thing. Okay, so now let's look at the pricing in terms so you understand all the different details behind the card. So annual percentage rate is 18% all the way up to 25%. It's based on your credit worthiness. Balance transfer APR is 18 to 25%. Your cash advance APR is 27%. Like I said in every other video, just don't do it. You shouldn't have to pay interest, so you shouldn't have to worry about this, but I'm giving you the detail anyways. And you don't have a minimum interest charge. Now let's jump into all the different fees that they have. So like I said before, they have a $95 annual fee that you have to worry about in order to find a way to break even. You also have transaction fees, a balance transfer fee of $5 or 5%. That's a little higher than I usually see. Cash advance fee of $10 or 5%, whichever is higher. No foreign transaction fees, like I said before. Penalty fees, you have a late penalty fee of $39, return payment fee of $39, return check fee of none. So this is a pretty good card. You shouldn't have to worry about any of the annual percentage rates. Now, if you were looking to buy something that's a really big purchase, like thousands of dollars, you want to go with some card that doesn't have a annual percentage rate right from the start. So some sort of introductory percentage rate of 0, that would be great. But This card doesn't have that, so we're not gonna worry about that at the time. But do I think this card is worth it? I do think this card is worth it for the first, maybe even second year, just because you're gaining so many points from the start and so many dollars from the start. So I think it's worth it if you're looking to gain a bunch of points. Do I think it's better than the reserve card? It depends. If you're a person in a situation that doesn't travel a lot and doesn't spend all their money on travel, then you're not going to gain all of the regular rewards from the reserve card or from the card that you're using. So I say that it's worth it if you wanted to gain $750 worth of travel. If you have bills that amount to $4,000, and it only makes sense to get this card because you're getting free money in the end. So if you can get free money, the more you can get, the better. So that's the reason why I think this is a really, really good card. That's my review for it. And this is the reason why I'm going to get it, because like I said, free money is great money. So hopefully you like this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up. Also comment down below and let me know if you have this card, if you feel like there is a value after like the third year or the second year. Shoot me a comment down below. Also, if you like the reserve card, if you feel as though the reserve card is better for you or anybody in any situation, then feel free to comment down below. Let me know what's on your mind. Also, hit the subscribe button for more videos just like this one. And remember, I'm doing a giveaway. And the giveaway is every 1,000 subscribers, I'm giving away 2 Amazon gift cards. So hit that subscribe button, like this video, comment down below. And until next time, I'll see you guys later.